Guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix sound problem on Stardew Valley game. If you have this problem on Stardew Valley game, just go directly open your settings of your device. Click right now on apps option and search for Stardew Valley and click. Here guys, scroll this list down, click add storage option, click clear cache here. After this back, click on force stop and click OK. And right now just go to Play Store or App Store and update Stardew Valley. After updating your game, restart now your device, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.